Hi guys, this is One Arm Wanderer. So we're here in Lucia, Tagaytay. Okay, mag-room tour tayo ng kasita dito sa Lucia, Tagaytay. Okay. So yun yung kasita 101 and ito yung shared dining area. And may kitchen din pala dito sa Lucia's. Okay, shared kitchen. Okay. So, punta tayo ngayon sa kasita natin, kasita 102. Okay guys, pasok tayo. Okay, so it's I guess this is our fourth time here in Lucia's Tagaytay. And it's our first time to stay here in kasita 102. Okay, so they provide sleepers. Ayan yung sleepers guys. Okay, then ito yung room natin. Okay, check natin yung room. Okay, itong kasita 102 dito sa Lucia, Tagaytay may 2 beds. Ayan yung beds natin. Very comfortable ang bed dito guys. Then of course the room is air conditioned. Okay, and so may table lamp dito. Then they have TV with Netflix. Okay, then they also have Wi-Fi here. So if you are bringing work here in Lucia's Tagaytay, makapag-work ka dito. Okay, vanity area. Then they also provide here a luggage area or luggage compartment. Ito. Okay. Then may cabinet. Okay, so another table here that can also serve as a work area. Okay. And they also provide pool towels. So ito yung pool towels. Maganda yung pool nila dito sa Lucia's Tagaytay guys. Okay. So the room also comes with an electric kettle. Then may complimentary coffee. Ayan yung creamer, coffee, then yung cups. Okay, so ito yung room natin dito sa Lucia's Tagaytay. In a bit, check natin yung CR. Okay. So ito yung toilet and bath dito sa Lucia's Tagaytay. Suot muna tayong slippers guys. Okay. Wait lang ah. Okay, ito yung toilet and bath dito sa Lucia's Tagaytay, particularly dito sa kasita 102. Okay, very clean and very neat. And here's the shower area. So they provide a rain shower here. Okay. So here's the toilet and bath. So they have 4 kasitas dito sa Lucia's Tagaytay, and each kasita comes with veranda. Okay, check natin yung veranda guys. Okay, here's our veranda here in Lucia, Tagaytay. So there's kasita 103, katabi natin, and we're in kasita 102. Okay. So may parking naman sa harapan ng mga kasita. Then may mga kabana dyan guys, makikita nyo. Okay. So ito yung veranda natin dito sa kasita 102. Okay, balik tayo sa loob. Okay, so here's our room here in Lucia's Tagaytay. Okay, if you want to book a kasita here in Lucia's, I'll just provide their contact number on the description box of this video. Okay guys, again, this is One Arm Wanderer. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.